Hey guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. You're gonna have to ignore my little band-aid here. I kind of have a situation. I cut myself, and then plus I had to remove my nail, so it's a whole thing. I think I'll be fine to like redo my nails probably like a couple of days. So it wasn't that bad, but I wanted to do a quick little flip through of this because I'm so excited. We went to Barnes and Nobles, and I actually saw this on TikTok. I saw this right here on TikTok, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to find it because I think I could make some really cute spreads with this, or like some sort of like project or something, and I needed to find it. So we went to a Barnes and Nobles on Saturday, and they didn't have it there, and I was like, oh, it's probably, so the Barnes and Nobles that we went to originally, which I'll actually insert some footage if I can find it. The original one we went to is a newer Barnes & Nobles, and their magazine section is really small. And we went to, right after work, I should say after we had dinner, we went to a Best Buy, and next to the Best Buy is a Barnes & Nobles that has been there for years. And I told Matthew, I was like, we need to go check it out, see if they have it. It was $20, but you'll see why I think this is worth it. So it's Collage and Create, all 11 eras, Taylor Swift, plus era deep dives. Interesting. So it says, let's collage. Welcome to the Collage and Create with Taylor Swift, inspired by the 11 eras. There are over 1,000 pieces to cut out from photos of Taylor Swift and album-inspired icons to bejeweled backgrounds and bespoke lettering. You can build your collages and journey through your favorite pop star's iconic career. Blah, blah, blah. You can pause to read if you want to read. I want to read it, so I'm going to read it on my own. Hold on. Wait, I thought this was a pop-up. It's not, but it has all of the eras, including TTPD. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's look. Oh, see, that's fun. Okay, this is what they were talking about, introduction of each era. So it kind of gives you background information of the album. She looks so young here. And then you get all of this that you get to cut up. This is so cute. Like, it's like literally collage form. Oh, it's one. Okay. This is so cute. Oh, okay. But the back, sorry, I still have this cough. I need to remember to like pause. Okay. But yeah, look, like it has information about it. And then you have like your collage. This is so cute. Ugh, shut up. She was such an icon. I love her. This is so, like, this is after the Eras tour. This is nice. I love that it gives us, obviously because of this, the debut era. I like that it does have her as like her being young, the Taylor Swift album. I like that it has her and her young self, and then this. Like, this is really fun. And it makes sense. Fearless. Cute. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. And her little bejeweled outfit and her little... Oh, I love it. This would be so fun to scrapbook with and just make like some cute little collages. Speak now. Oh my gosh. It brings me back to, so before planning, before everything that I do now as far as like keeping myself, like my hobbies, back, you know, 2020, you can't even say 20, whatever. It's 2006, back in the day when I was like in high school, middle school. Like, I remember dragging my mom to, like, I used to get my magazines from the CVS because they had like an entire aisle, almost an entire aisle of magazines. And I used to buy fashion magazines or I'll like insert pictures of like, I think it was like J14 or something like that, of like pop like news. And like I used to buy like Elle magazine. When my mom would let me, I would buy Vogue or Elle, because they're a little more expensive, or Bazaar, that was another one. But they were thicker, so you would have a lot more to play with. And I used to cut up my magazines like crazy. I remember one time, actually, oh, this is so fun. I remember one time, my parents, my dad specifically used to love going to garage sales, and we happened to find a garage sale of like an older lady, and she had a box filled of old Vogue magazines, and I think she gave them to me for a quarter. I remember not paying more than $2 for an entire box of magazines, and I was so excited. I cut those babies up like no business. Like, I used to love cutting up magazines, and this is kind of what it reminds me of. So this is so much fun. I can't wait to, cut it up and have some fun with it. The red era. Ugh, this is so beautiful. I don't even remember seeing this. Where is this from? I love the little music page right here. Cute. This is so cute. I love this. Obviously, red is like an iconic era. Like, I mean, all of her eras are iconic, but I love 1989. 1989 is one of my favorite. I just love all her albums. Who am I kidding? I'm not going to say it's my favorite one, because they all are. Oh my gosh, all the New York. Like, you could literally cut these buildings up and use it at the bottom of your page. And like, what's cool is that you can put stuff behind them or whatever, It's so cool. I'm going to start buying magazines again. This just kind of brings me back to that, Reputation. Iconic. Love her. Not me trying to sing like I'm not sick still. I'm actually going to take a sip of my water. And you know what's funny? Look what cup I'm using. I was able to get my hands on the Capital One cup that was free. You just had to like sign up or something and have it be a Capital One card holder. And I had to refresh so many times until I finally got it, and I was so excited. Anyways, I'm going to take a sip. Okay. This is so cute. You could even do stuff with this side. Like, I mean, of course, if you wanted to use this, and maybe you wouldn't be able to use this, but, it's cool. Like, it's so much fun. And what's nice is that, like, I don't feel guilty. I wouldn't feel guilty to cut this up, because although this information is really good and you can still use it in your journal if you wanted to, this is all stuff that you could find online, Oh, this is cute. Paper rings. Cornelia Street. Need to calm down. These colors are so fun. It gives me like Lisa Frank vibes. And I like that they do that too. Like, this is, hold on. Obviously this right here is the Lover era, but like this could be like a spread or like a collage or whatever. And then you have like a different vibe of the same era, and then a whole different vibe, It's nice. Folklore. Folklore and Evermore are one of my favorite eras. It's just, those are like the kind of music that I enjoy listening to personally. Just like the slower, I don't know, just, I resonate with it and I like it. Evermore is just number one for me, I have to admit. This is beautiful. It has like double the stuff. It feels like. And from the Eras tour, obviously like her dress. I love it. Midnights. Ooh, this is so pretty. I love the friendship bracelets. Ooh, this is so cool. I love this. From her outfit that she wore. Was it MTV Music Awards? I don't remember. I'll have to look it up. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Ooh, TTPD. I have to admit, like, this is a newer era, obviously. I freaking love it. I'm obsessed with it. I love TTPD. We have the CD, and we also have the vinyl. And I got it signed. I have the signed version of it, so it's pretty cool. It's literally displaying on my wall. Iconic. Oh, like so high school. Love that they did that. That's so cute. Playing Grand Theft Auto. That's so cute. Number 13. Ooh, and look at this. So you have like different like, essentially like pieces of paper that you could use. Oh, I hate that this is behind here. I don't know if they didn't think about that, but you know, whatever. You pick some, you choose some. It is what it is. Also, I feel like these aren't like these right here is definitely something that you can find at like a Hobby Lobby, honestly. So it's not that bad. I do like this because you could literally have like, you could have like a tailor on here, you know? That's cute. Ooh, okay, so they kind of, I guess maybe they think that you wouldn't use the entire thing. So for example, like maybe you wouldn't use this part right here. You could still use the back of that if you wanted to. But I really like these. But then I don't know, whatever. I guess you just gotta pick some and choose some and figure out what you want to use and what you don't want to use. These are gorgeous. I love this. You could even, oh my gosh, I'm actually thinking about, it would be so cute with some of these. I really like this one. Making like a collage using some of these over here and making a bookmark. Oh my gosh, that would be so adorable. Ooh, TTPD. Love that. I love all these papers. Like, this is so cute. I'm so glad I got my hands on this. Like, I know it's not like a whole book, and I probably could have searched for these online or something, but even this, like, how fun is that? Okay. Oh, I thought it was like on the back of this, and I was like, oh no. Cute. All the friendship bracelet letters. They need to come out with stickers like this, like on Happy Planner. How come it hasn't been done? And then this, and then obviously it has the information of the publisher. Well, is it publisher? Because this isn't like, yeah, kennedypublishingco.uk. Cute. I love it so much. I'm so glad I got my hands on this. It was 20 bucks, but I think it's 20 bucks well spent. Like, really, like let's be real, like, Happy Planners, like, okay, it doesn't say, but Happy Planners sticker books are like 20-something bucks. So this is $20, and sure, you'll have to use glue, but how fun. You can scrapbook. You can, like, have a scrapbook night and just cut these out and make a collage if you wanted to. Like, I have, like, I just started this, but I have this right here that I literally put, like, all of my paper, like, kind of like junk journaling. Like, how fun would it do to do, like, a spread for each era? Okay, maybe that's something that I'll do. Anyways, that is going to be it for this. It was just a quick little flip through. It was so fun. I love it. Let me know if you get your hands on this, or if you're interested in getting it. Or even if you, honestly, you could search for some of these items on like Pinterest and save them to like on Canva, make a collage on Canva and just print them out. Like, that's what I was going to do originally when I wasn't able to find this. So that's definitely something that you can do. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.